without education, the child is not going to be able to move on with life. Why? Because even if you want to become a security guard, it requires the MSc certificate, which is the Malawi School Certificate of Education. So if the child doesn't have that certificate, imagine that the thing is that it will become difficult for him just to become a security guard. So what about all the other professions which are possible and he is able to do? So when I say stepping stone into life, understand that if the child achieves good results in MSCE with the Malawi National Examination Board, now he is able to pursue with college. Now he is able to move on with his life. He can choose a course. If he has good points in his Malawi School Certificate of Education, which is the MSc written in Form 4, he is able to get a government bursary. He might be able to enter into the public universities. He might be able to pursue his career.